It had been one of the best receptions that a law school would probably receive, which we have received in the last 2 years. We have got serious students who were thinking about law. We had students who had questions about law, but they had the skills to become a law student, whom we put through a process which I'm here to announce. So normally they would say admissions open. I'm here to say our admission process has begun. And we are inviting applications from all over India. We are not taking a student just on the basis of a score, which a student probably, I don't know the quotient of hard work which is involved in the same, but yeah, luck did, play a major role in that 1.5 hour test or a 2-hour test. So what we did is we tweaked the entire process, and we could understand one thing, that if you really want to build a good law school, you need to have an admission philosophy. And that philosophy was born out of our experience, both in law school and also while guiding some students into, law school, which was, to do law, one of those basic things which was very important was your command over English language, critical reasoning, and your communication skills. And now how to make sure that all these three things are being tested in an entrance process. So we came out with a process which we have derived out of experience when there was no common law admission test, or then when there was no unified entrance examination. So what did we do? Our process is something which most of you know, but I'll try to simplify and just put it across to you. You have to submit your 12 scores, your 10 scores, which determines your scholarly abilities, your extracurriculars, which gives us a peek into that you were not just a scholar, but also doing many extracurricular things, which makes you a better law student. And the third was any law entrance score, because we are giving you multiple options to appear in multiple tests. We have our own entrance examination also. And then the cumulative score of these three things, you have to score more than 50%. If you score more than 50%, then you have an interaction round. I again repeat, it's not an interview, but it's an interaction round with the faculty. Now, faculties are a very important part of our entire structure. And why not? Because it was greats like Professor Madhav Menon who created the 5-year law school revolution which you see in this country, because they were involved in the process. So that's exactly what we have done. Our faculties are involved in our entrance process, where they would interact with you. It's a very integrated process where it's all online, where they are going to give you a topic, you have to speak for some time, they're going to solve a reading comprehension question with you. But in the due course, they would have tested those three things I spoke earlier about, and they would give you those lion's share marks, where they have to subjectively even write about you. All these things are presented before an admission panel, and that's the holistic admission process which we have created. And that's where this admission process is one of the most important processes in the entire institution building which we are doing here. So I welcome all the students across India to participate in this process which has just begun, be a part of this great institution which we are building here. Thank you.